Hi guys, this is Allan Roberts, and today I'm going to tell you about this cool new tool that you can use in Chat GPT and how to use it and how to get articles written inside of Chat GPT and have it high quality with a lot of keyword rich content in it and get past those human detectors, those human AI detectors, and get your stuff published and ranked on Google. That's what we're going to cover in this video. We're going to go step by step how to do it. The first thing I want to introduce you to is this Chrome extension called AI PRM. AI PRM. What you do is you go to the Chrome store and the app AI PRM for SEO. And once you have that extension, then when you go into Chat GPT, you will have these prompt options up here, and they're pre-written prompts that will give you different things. For instance, if you want to do the keyword cluster one, I'll show you an example of that right here. All right, the keyword cluster one is you put in keywords, and I got these from SEO Quake, another plugin that you can put into Chrome. And I showed you another video on my channel on how to use SEO Quake and how to get the keyword list from different websites. The prompt then took those keywords and turned them into different categories. I got AI writing software. Number 2 is writing software. Second is AI writing tools, writing articles, content generation, software reviews, and then privacy and affiliate disclosure, which was just on the bottom of the websites. These top 6 categories are things that the article should be written about, and then it broke down the keywords according to their search intent. Was it commercial? Was it informational? And all these are buyer's intent, and you notice that the best AI writing software is a commercial term. Another one was transactional. Was it transactional? Was it talking about price and discounts and packages, those type of things? It broke it down for me. I had ChatGPT write me an article, and I'm going to show you the prompt that I use to create the article. All right. When you have the AI PRM create a prompt for you, it actually leaves you the code or the prompt that it used. And what I did is I took the prompt that it used in the top portion where it says that you're a market research expert and you speak fluent English, kept that part, detailed information about keywords, blah, 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 SEO content, took all that part. I rewrote it here and I kept the part where it says your market research, and then I added title, and then put your title in there, and then put the H2 titles in after that, and then copy that into ChatGPT as your prompt. I copied it into ChatGPT as my prompt, and here's the output that it gave me. Was just what I asked for. It gave me what is AI writing software, and then the top 3 picks for each of the categories that I put there: proofreading, content editing, sales and support messages, automatic content creation, and then repetitive typing task. I broke it down, gave the best recommendation for each, and then what I did is I took that into, have it over here in Grammarly, and what I do is I run it through Grammarly's checker here, click on correctness. All right, wants me to change that. Then I click on clarity. This is where it makes the big changes. This is passive voice, so I gotta change that. And delete that. Okay, it wants to rewrite this section. All right, change this to help you. Rewrite this for clarity, as mentioned as above. The next step I would read through this one more time, add any additional keywords that could fit in here, that I would have a keyword rich content, rewrite things in my own words if I wanted to, and then I would post this to my blog as a section inside of my article. I hope that showed you step by step how to use ChatGPT to write articles for your blog and content, how to get it corrected, and how to get it ready for publishing on the interwebs and get it ranked in Google as for SEO. All right, we'll talk to you in the next video. You subscribe to this channel because I upload daily videos on how to. I look forward to talking to you soon. If you like the information in this video, then you're going to love this video right here. Go ahead and click on it now. Thank you for watching to the very end of this video. I'll see you in the next episode.